Hello students. Today we are doing exercise 5 Indian cities on rivers in GK. Children, mostly cities of our country are situated on any river. किसी ना किसी river पे हमारी जो Indian cities हैं वो situated हैं, located हैं. अब यहाँ here are few of the cities are given here. You have to find out the answer. You have to write out the answer that these cities are located on the banks of which river. So here are the cities and here are the rivers. Now look, the first one is Lucknow. Lucknow is situated on the banks of river Gomti. Kannauj, Ganga, Mathura, Yamuna, Pune, Mula. This river is also known as Mutha. Surat, Tapti, Kota, Chambal, Kolkata, Hooghly, Nanded, Godavari, Cuttack, Mahanadi, and Rourkela, Brahmani. So following cities are situated on the banks of these rivers. Now take the correct option. First one, which one of the following cities is located on the bank of river Yamuna? Madurai, Patna, New Delhi. Your correct answer is New Delhi. Second one, Ahmedabad is located on the bank of the river Sabarmati, Brahmaputra, Ganga. So Ahmedabad is located on the bank of river Sabarmati. Next, Guwahati is located on the bank of the river Gomti, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi. So your answer is Brahmaputra. Fourth one, Jabalpur is located on the bank of which river? Narmada, Yamuna or Musi. So it is Narmada. Now look the next one. Which of the following city is located on the river Vishwamitri? Vadodara, Jabalpur, Agra. So Vadodara city is located on the banks of river Vishwamitri. Now Varanasi is located on the bank of the river Kali, Bhadra, Ganga. Answer is Ganga. Which city is located on the bank of river Krishna? Gwalior, Vijayawada or Sambalpur. So your answer is here Vijayawada. Next is, which city is located on the bank of river Gurpura? Hyderabad, Gwalior or Mangalore. So answer is Mangalore. Children, our next exercise number 6 is Institute of Scientific Research. There are several scientific research institutes in India. So here are some scientific research institutes and here are the cities where these institutes are located. Now first one is Agharkar Research Institute. Where it is in Pune. Bharat Ophthalmic Glass Limited. It is in Kolkata. Birbal Sahani Institute of Paleobotany, Lucknow. Central Arid Zone Research Institute. Arid का मीनिंग मैंने आपको सोशल्स के लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था. Arid means dry. Central Dry Zone. Arid Zone, Dry Zone Research Institute. तो अगर arid का मीनिंग आपको क्लियर है, arid मीनिंग इज ड्राई, ड्राई जोन. तो ड्राई जोन कहाँ है हमारा? डेजर्टिंग एरिया हमारा है राजस्थान और गुजरात. तो इसका हमारा जो रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट है दैट इज लोकेटेड इन जोधपुर. सेंट्रल कोकोनट रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, कसरगढ़. नेशनल एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, नागपुर. सेंट्रल इनलैंड फिशरीज रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, बैरकपुर. सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फिशरीज टेक्नोलॉजी, Kochi. Central Marine Research Station, it is in Chennai. Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, it is in Durgapur. Now look the next one. Central Mining Research Station, it is in Dhanbad. Central Rice Research Institute, Cuttack. Central State Farm, Suratgarh. Indian Space Research Organization, Bangalore. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, it is in New Delhi. Fluid Control Research Institute, Kanjikode West. Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. Indian Institute of Sugar Technology, Kanpur. Indian Lab Research Institute, Ranchi. Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh. National Brain Research Center, Mansar. National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. Okay. So dear students, here your two exercises are over, exercise number 5 and 6. Now do these exercises in your book and learn also. We will meet soon with next two exercises in next video. Till then, goodbye.